Imagine this. Every single day, we have to manage dozens or even hundreds of Facebook accounts just to take care of customers, build fan pages, do seeding in groups. If we do it manually, it's exhausting, time consuming, and the results aren't even that good. That's exactly why MKT Care was created, a tool that automatically and safely nurtures Facebook accounts. So, what can MKT Care actually do? First, it helps you manage and take care of unlimited Facebook accounts. It automatically updates profile pictures, cover photos, account details, browses the newsfeed, likes, comments, all just like a real user. This keeps your accounts healthy and reduces the risk of being locked. Second, MKT Care supports automatic friend requests. You just import a UID list of potential customers, and the software will automatically send requests, accept friends, and expand your network with the right audience. Third, the software has smart seeding and account nurturing features. It can automatically like, comment, join groups, share posts, or publish content on personal profiles or fan pages. All actions are performed naturally based on preset scenarios. The special thing is that MKT Care doesn't just nurture accounts for fun, it helps you build a zero cost marketing system. For example, you can invite friends to join groups, boost fan page likes, seed live streams, or even auto message your potential customers. For anyone doing MMO, online sales, or brand building, MKT Care is your right hand assistant. It saves you dozens of hours of manual work, lowers the risk of account suspension, and most importantly, multiplies your customer reach. In short, MKT Care isn't just an automatic account nurturing software, it's a complete solution to build communities, grow fan pages, and scale your brand on Facebook. If you want to expand your online business system, this is a tool you simply can't miss.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, vai me parar. 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 Vai me parar.
Enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede.